Overview. Operation. Self-leveling mode. Slide the pendulum to turn on, off the self-leveling mode. The LED indicator lights green. Place the tool on a flat surface. If the tilt exceeds plus or minus 3 degrees, the laser beams will flash to alert you. Manual mode. When the pendulum is at the locked position, press and hold the power button to turn on, off F manual mode. The LED indicator lights red. In this mode, the laser beams flash every 4–5 seconds, indicating the tool is not self-leveling. Line switching. After power on, the horizontal line is on by default. Press H to turn the horizontal line on/off. Press V to switch the vertical line. Pulse mode. Pulse mode allows the laser tool to work with a Huepar receiver in bright environments or at longer distances. Power on the tool and press the pulse button. The indicator turns blue, and the laser becomes dimmer. Press the button again, returns to normal. Accessories and usage. Magnetic bracket, firmly fixed to an iron plane. Hang it up. Type-C charging. It built in 3 500 mAh, 3.7 volts, lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Battery charging. Red blinking, low battery. Green blinking, charging. Green solid, fully charged. It can work for 5 hours after fully charged.